most of you watching this video already know how to analyze the market, know how to take trades, but you are not consistently profitable. So this is the reason why. You guys are hooking up like crazy honey monkeys, jumping from each strategy to each strategy because it looks hot. But in reality, in order for you to start making money consistently, you need to get married to your trading plan, like have a long-term commitment. Now, I know this might be scary. You might not know what exactly I am talking about. So let's look at how I have married my trading plan so that you can do it yourself. So first of all, we have the weekly cycle, and I use the failed breakout to show me where the market is headed throughout the week. For example, today is Monday, and when I'm looking at NSD card, my bias today is buy. But how do I arrive at buy? If we look at the previous week, we have Monday setting this high of the week, and we have this low of the week here. And on Thursday, price breaks out and closes outside of the range. And then on Friday, price breaks out and closes back inside of the range. So this is what we call a failed breakout at the low of the week, which means look for buys today. And so that is my one specific way of knowing where the market is headed and coming up with a bias for the trading day. Now, when I am in the trading day, what exactly am I looking for? I am looking for one specific thing, a breakout in my timing window. If we look at Euro GBP on Wednesday, I was looking to buy, but I am buying in a specific timing window at a specific time from 3 to 5. I'm also very interested in price breaking out of the low of the day in my timing window. So this is the low of the day, and in my timing window, this candle breaks out. So this is my signal. Let's pay attention to this pair. And then when I am looking for my entry, I am looking for a head and shoulders pattern. So how does that look like? Once we have that breakout, I go to my 1 minute time frame and I look for a head and shoulders pattern. And so this is that same day. We've already broken out. But look at how the head and shoulders pattern is very clear. And so it has a very straight neckline. It has taken over 30 minutes to form, and it's clear. You can see it for yourself. We have the left shoulder, we have the head, we have the right shoulder. Once price breaks out of that neckline, that is my entry, and then my stops. So if we look at my plan here, so stop loss is above the right shoulder, and then take profit is 2 times my risk. Simple. So if we look at my trade on that day, this is the screenshot of the trade as I got in, and you can see the stop loss is below the right shoulder, and we have the take profit 1 to 2, which is somewhere around here. My point is that you need to focus on your own specific setup and then leave the hot girls, which are the distractions. Leave them alone. Let other people trade them. You focus on your trade setups. Get married to that. I know it will be boring. It will be very boring. But it pays. That is what exactly prints money. The rest of the exciting stuff will just frustrate you because you will be going nowhere. If you're tired of jumping from one strategy to one strategy and you would like to learn more about this strategy, check out the link in the description for one-on-one mentorship. And if you got value from today's video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.